How to save remote desktop connection settings to RDP files in Windows. If you frequently connect to remote machines, this video is for you. Today we're showing you how to save remote desktop connection settings to RDP files in Windows. It's the easiest way to streamline remote access, reduce repetitive setup, and cut down on login errors. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. What is an RDP file? Before we dive in, let's quickly cover the basics. An RDP file, or Remote Desktop Protocol file, stores settings for remote connections like resolution, local resource access, and security preferences. RDP files are especially useful for IT professionals, system administrators, and remote workers who manage multiple connections. How to save remote desktop connection settings to RDP files. To save your remote desktop settings as an RDP file, follow these steps. First, launch Remote Desktop Connection. To do this, press Windows + R, type mstsc, and hit Enter, or search for Remote Desktop Connection in the menu. Under the General tab, input the computer name or IP address. Add your username if needed. Click Show Options to access settings like display size, local devices, and audio. Back under General, click Save As, pick a location, and name your .rdp file. Locate and double-click the save.rdp file to start a session. If changes are needed, reopen, adjust, and resave it. Manually editing an RDP file. You can also manually edit an RDP file without opening the remote connection tool. All you'll need is Notepad or another text editor. To edit manually, open the .rdp file in Notepad and modify parameters like to set the target machine, to pre-fill the login field, sets full screen or windowed mode. Make sure to use the correct syntax to avoid file corruption. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to save remote desktop connection settings to RDP files in Windows, linked in the description below. Be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this.